Guys, welcome to GOO Computer Tutorials. We are still on array in C++. In this lesson, we are going to focus about how to access an array elements or how to print an element of array. For those who attended our previous lesson, we learned about how to make array initialization. So now let us try to access to our array element. For example, let us also use this example: int max, then size here we need to use these square brackets 5, and then equal to, then insert or initialize an element, right? Let us entering like 23 as a first mark, then 35 second marks, then here like 16, 65, and then like 17 like this. Then here we need to put here semicolon. So this is how we make initialization of an array. Now to access an array element, as we already learned, we just need to use an index, right? Because an index is one that identify any element uniquely, right? And you know that each element here has its own index and it starts from 0, right? For example, this, we can say that this is, let me make like this one is for 0. For example, this is for 1, this is for 2, and then this is for 3. This 65 is for location number 3, and then 17 is for number 4, right? So now after this, we can now access to any element here by just using these indices. So of course we need to use south statement, south, then we can write like this value at like this index 3 now is equal to, we can write like this, then we have to put this statement in quotation and then write this one array name, which is max, and then location or index, which is 3, like this, then here semicolon, right? So this is how you can access or print an array element. So once you make compilation, here you see there is no error, and let us run to check an output. You see this one, as you see here, this one value at location 3 or index 3 is equal to 65, right? As also you are seeing here, this one. So this is how you can access or print an array element. So thank you for watching this video. Let us meet in the next one, where we learn how to make user input.